Replacing Pandas Dataframe variable values with a Numpy array. I am doing a transformation on a variable from a Pandas dataframe, and then I would like to replace the column with my new values. The problem seems to be that after the transformation, the length of the array is not the same as the length of my dataframe's index. I don't think that is true though. When I check the length, these lengths seem to disagree. The len array says it is 2, but when I call the stats.boxcox it says it is 50,000. What is going on here?
You can see in your example that the result of boxcox is a tuple. This is consistent with the documentation, which indicates that boxcox returns a tuple of the transformed data and a lambda value. Notice in the example on that page that it does. Showing again that boxcox returns a 2 tuple. You should be doing df variable equals stats.boxcox df.variable 0.
Ciao, peace, suspended.